Savannah, so many moms receive chiropractic alignment, but they still find themselves in pain. What's the deal with that?
So the reason why a lot of moms can get pain after chiropractic and after going again and again and again is because their bones are already separating with relaxin in their bloodstream. So what happens is they keep going, and time after time, the relaxin just keeps separating and pulling their joints out of place. What I do as an alignment specialist is I work with the fascia tissue, not with the bones, where the fascia tissue tells the bones and the ligaments, muscles, and all of the other parts of your body what to do and how to hold it in place for proper alignment to support you and your baby.